of you gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. Let's just jump right into the video. So today I'm going to be reviewing and installing some 18-inch crochet butterfly locks from DUS Hair on Amazon. Okay, this is their 18-inch butterfly locks crochet hair, distressed crochet hair, 6 packs, super soft butterfly crochet hair, pre-looped natural synthetic crochet hair extension, 18 inches in the color 1B. And inside the package, it came with a crochet needle and some clips, some colorful clips. And the order also came with some lashes. There are 6 packs of hair. Each pack has 12 locks in it. So that's a total of 72 locks. I guess you can say it has sort of a open loop, but yeah, I'm gonna get more into detail on that later on in the video. These are what the locks are looking like straight out of the pack. They do look a little bent, like fresh out of the pack, but after I installed them, they loosen up like a little bit after the first day. I really love the texture of them, and they are really super soft. Now, for the braiding pattern, I already started off camera, but I'm basically doing the connected braids in the front section and regular cornrows in the back. I had 10 connected braids in the front and 8 regular cornrows in the back section. Alright, so for the connected braids, I went ahead and pre-sectioned my hair off. Well, I sectioned it off in half first so I could do the first half off camera. And I wasn't really going to do this on camera because, child, let me tell you, it is hard trying to stay in this frame and braid my own hair. Like, my arms be so tired. Like, so tired. People who do their own hair, braid their own hair, y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyways, all the products I'm using are in my description box below if you're interested. Alright, and by the way, my hair was already moisturized off camera, and I washed it, y'all. But it was already moisturized off camera with my honey butter, natural hair butter. And then I got my Sheisbombcollection edge control, and I'm slicking back my edges. That's how my baby hair is just going to be slicked back like a little swoop. And I start by sectioning the boxes off and making plaits. And then when I'm done like half an inch or maybe an inch of a plait, then I can start my next plait with that end of that plait connected. So that's how you get a connected braid, if you can understand that. But you can pretty much see what I'm doing here. And yeah, all the products I'm using are in my description box below if you're interested. And the hair information and the link to purchase in my description box as well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and be quiet and just come back after this braiding part is over with. And this is what the braid pattern is looking like. Now, to get into this hair, as I was saying in the beginning of the video about these loops, like it's a open loop crochet lock, but let me tell you, I had a time trying to get these locks through. But other than that, this hair is really, really cute. I guess with every crochet install, like once I got going, I kind of got a hang of catching that loop to be able to crochet it on. But honestly, like I struggled throughout this whole install. A couple of the packs I was able to like open up the loop a little bit more so that I can crochet it on, but that's the only thing bad I could say. Other than that, this hair is really, 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 really soft. I love the texture. And I ended up using 64 locks. So I installed 64 locks for this install. And I can say it was pretty full. You'll be seeing that towards the ending of the video. But I just really want to show y'all how I was installing the locks and what I meant by saying that I had a time with crocheting it on. Like I could get it underneath my braid. The issue was pulling the end of that lock through that loop after I crocheted underneath my braid. And one trick that I tried, I ended up helping in some of them, was once I crocheted the hair underneath my braid, I kept the hook in that loop and I grabbed the end of the crochet lock and pulled it through, like with the hook. So I had a time, but it was worth it because the hair came out pretty cute. Alright, so now that I'm done crocheting everything in, I'm going to go ahead and add some accessories. And this is the finished look. I told y'all it came out really cute. Big shout out to DUS Hair on Amazon. And a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.